In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wise Payment Gateway in WordPress. We'll be doing this through WordPress.com, and the goal is to install the plugin called Gateway for Wise on WooCommerce so you can begin setting up Wise as a payment option for your store. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it in a clear, simple way. To get started, go to your WordPress.com dashboard and open the My Home area for your site. This is the main control panel where you can manage the most important parts of your WordPress website. If you're already logged in, this is usually the easiest place to begin because it gives you quick access to settings, plugins, and other site tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. This section is where you can browse, install, and manage extra features for your WordPress site. Since Wise support will be added through a plugin, this is the area we need. After that, use the plugin search and look for Gateway for Wise on WooCommerce. Make sure you choose the correct plugin name so you install the right tool for Wise payments. Taking a moment here to verify the plugin name can help you avoid confusion, especially if multiple payment-related plugins appear in the results. When you see Gateway for Wise on WooCommerce in the search results, click on it to open the plugin page. This will let you review the plugin and move forward with installation or activation. Opening the plugin page is useful because it confirms that you're selecting the exact plugin you want to use with WooCommerce. At this point, there's one important thing to keep in mind. If you don't have a paid WordPress.com plan, you may not be able to install plugins right away. WordPress.com limits plugin access on certain plans, so this is a normal part of the process and not an error. If that applies to you, go ahead and click Upgrade and Activate. This will allow you to move to a plan that supports plugins and continue with the setup. Once the upgrade is complete, you can activate the plugin and proceed with your Wise Payment Gateway setup inside WooCommerce. And that's it for this part of the process. You've now reached the point where the Wise plugin can be added to your WordPress site. As a quick tip, make sure your WooCommerce store is already installed and working properly before moving on, since this plugin is designed to work with WooCommerce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next step.